Hi folks, we're going to see in this video how we can replace a bad pulse generator or a pickup coil from a Honda VF750 third generation, but the procedure is the same for many bikes, and you see in your screen the new one and the part number for this part. For replacing that part, we have to remove the right side cover of engine and also the brake pedal, and to remove the oil from our engine. It's impossible to test in a pulse generator because by the manual, when we measure the resistance, we have to be between 450 and 550. But as you see in your screen, when we test the old pulse generation, we are about 300 ohms, and perhaps you think that it's bad, but when we test the new one, we take about the same numbers. So we can test with this way, which the manual say, but the only indication we have from a bad pulse generation it is that our bike after get very hot, stop working because uh, pulse generator can't send the signal to our CDI box. After the bike cold again, then start working good. Every time it's hot, stop working. Now I'm going to show you the procedure for changing a pulse generator.